Welcome, my dear student, in a digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are discussing about rational numbers and their properties. So today we are going to start a very new topic, that is representation of a rational number on a number line. This number line concept you have studied in class 6th also, but that is in case of integers. So have a look first, what are the key points while we are talking about number line. So this is our number line and we are going to represent a number on number line. So before representing any number, we must know some key points, like you can see in right hand side from the 0. You can see on the right hand side of 0, all the numbers are positive. All the numbers are positive. And when we are talking about left hand side, all the numbers are negative. And as we are moving away from 0 toward right hand side, so the value of number is increasing because they are positive, so value is increasing. And as we are moving away from 0 toward left side, so that means the value of the number is decreasing because they are negative numbers. So let's take your exercise to start this concept. We have here worksheet number 5. Question number 1. State whether the following statements are true. If not, justify your answer. So we have given here some statements. We need to find out if statement is true, then okay. If not true, then we need to give reason. So let's take the first part. The number on a number line, all numbers are positive to the right side of 0. Or we can say on a number line, all the numbers to the right of 0 are positive. So this statement is true. As I told you, my dear students, when we are moving toward right side of 0, the numbers are positive. Statement is true. So let's take second statement. A rational number -7 upon -19 lies to the left of 0 on number line. Keep in mind, -7 upon -19, both have same sign. If both have same signs, so such rational numbers are positive rational number. If any number is positive, definitely that number is toward the right side of 0. But in statement it is written left side. That's why our statement is false. So we need to write, because -7 upon -19 is a positive rational number, so it will lie on a right side of 0. So take our next statement. On a number line, numbers become progressively larger as we move away from 0. So as I told you, my dear student, it is a key point. When we are moving away from 0 toward right side, the numbers are increasing by their values. But when we are moving toward left side, so numbers are negative and value is decreasing. Due to this reason, our statement is false. So we need to write in reason, because as we are moving away from 0 on left side, numbers are negative. If numbers are negative, so value is less. That's why this statement is false. So let's take a fourth part. Rational numbers 2 upon 3 and -2 upon 3 are equal distance from 0. My dear student, check once again the number. One is 2 upon 3, second is -2 upon 3. Numbers are same, but the change in the sign is there in the second case, so that the distance from 0 is remain similar, or we can say equal to the both of the numbers. So this statement is true. Next is, on a number line, lying on the left to the number is greater. On a number line, number lying left to a given number is greater. So keep in mind, when we are talking about left side always smaller number, and right side we have a greater number. So reason you can write, because on a number line, number lying right to the given number is greater. So this is very easy concept for you all to complete these true and false statements. I hope this concept is clear to you. Thank you so much.